Welcome back to another Haitian Creole lesson with Stevenson. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can keep learning Haitian Creole. And don't forget, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can comment below or you can email me directly and I'll be more than happy to address them and communicate with you. Let's go ahead and get started with this lesson. This is a follow-up lesson where we're doing numbers part 3. If you haven't seen the previous two parts, go ahead and take a look at them. This is numéro troisième partie. 41 is 41. 41. 41. 42 is 42. 42. 42. 43. 43. 43. 43. 44. 44. 44. 44. 45. 45. 45. 45. 46. 46. 46. 46. 47. 47. 47. 47. 48. 48. 48. 48. 49. 49. 49. 49. 50. 50. 50. 50. 51. 51. 51. 51. 52. 52. 52. 52. 53. 53. 53. 53. 54. 54. 54. 54. 55. 55. 55. 55. 56. 56. 56. 56. 57. 57. 57. 57. 58. 58. 58. 58. 59. 59. 59. 59. 60. 60. 60. 60. This concludes this lesson. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. to this channel so you can keep learning Haitian Creole with Stevenson.